That's the baby elephant. Just like you guys, when your mommy is not here, you always sneak out, right? Just like all of you. That's why I didn't bring your mommy. Yeah, still yeah. Oh, so this is the Tarzan treehouse, and the Tarzan is went back to the UK, so don't swim over there.
Where's your hat? To wear your hat.
And this is the entrance of our forest. This river is longer than 4,000 miles, and we will go back after 3 days and 2 nights. So please tell me, what is this? This is the mother elephant and the baby elephant. And on the right hand side is the brother. He loves to shower every day. That's why he becomes so ugly. So remember, don't take a long shower, otherwise you will look like him. And this is the naughtiest one. He is the father elephant. And he will jump up and get you wet, so be careful! Okay! No, I'm just kidding. This is why I never listen to a man say anything. Where we got blocked. Oh, look at this place.
Oh, there's a big spider.
What is that?
You saw there's a spider.
Wow. Kumo.
Oh, there's one more here. There's one
Kumo
more here.
jangan. Kani. Jangan, jodan.
Oh, there's a snake there. Over there, snake. There, the snake is two. Oh, there's more here.
Otherwise, we have more inside the water, and they'll come up to fight you. Gotcha. All right.
Oh, crocodile.
Now we keep moving. Oh, what are those? No. It's the crocodiles. And for ladies, be careful. Last week we have lost 3 girls because they think they can take the crocodiles back up and become their Louis Vuitton. So be careful.
Your brother. Oh, this is brother.
We are back to the campsite, and this is the International Scientist Campsite. Say hi. Oh, wait. And not everyone can you. The Guardians are good, guys. Be careful. They're going to lock the door. Oh my God. And we leave this place. Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay at the back? Okay. So now we are at my favorite place, the African Safari. Look, we have the true route at the back. And what is this at the front? Zebra, yes. And could you guys guess? The baby zebra at the front. Is a boy or girl? The baby one. Boy?
Girl.
Why?
It's a girl.
Girl? Just guess? Alright, so let me teach you. If they are boys, the boys will be on the left hand side, and the girls will be on the right hand side. Do you know why?
Why?
Yes, because the girls are always right!
Because the girls are always right.
Oh my God. And next, could you see what else up in there? What is this? Guys. Be careful, they are the dangerous one. That's a big mouth, guys! Oh my God, look at that! We got some people here. Looks like my guests from last week. Oh wait. Oh no. They're the scientists from the campsite. And that's my Cody at the bottom. Oh no. Should we save them? No? Okay, how about this? If you want to stay in Disneyland for 1 more week, you can go up now. Because I'll pick you up next week. Do you guys need to go to work next week? Do you want to go to work? Of course. Why? Why do you want to go to work? See, anybody want to go to work? No, I want to go to work. Oh, but you can still stay here. No? I got 3 seconds more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, no more chance for you guys. You gotta go back home and go to work. And now we're heading into the deeper zone of forest. This But don't worry, guys. If you see the skeletons right here, it means they're happy today. So let's say hi first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Be here around the lunchtime. Okay, are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, anybody missing? If you fell into the water, raise your hand.
Are you missing?
Huh? How do you get into the water? Oh wait, it's okay. I will send you back home. Don't worry. I will send you back home. Oh, you see who is that? Stacy! Stacy, say hi! Hi, people! Stacy! Hello, guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! What is this place? So creepy, guys. Wait. Okay, guys, we got blocked in the front. How about the back? Oh no, guys! We cannot go back. What do we do? Oh my god, it's on fire, guys! Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, so, give me a hand. Put your hand out. Let's do it, okay? Let's do it. Okay, guys. Come on, come on, come on. We're gonna stay close now. We just finished our 3 days and 2 nights journey in Canada.